Alright, let's get your Google Drive set up. Go ahead and open drive.google.com. Now, look for your main folder, the one called Automate Etsy. Found it? Great! This is home base for everything we'll build. All your forms, files, and automations will live right here. Think of it as your command center. Simple, but super important. Okay, let's build that hub out a bit. Double-click Automate Etsy to open it up. You'll see a couple of folders already, Forms and Data. Now, let's add another one. Click New Folder and name it Products. This is where your digital files will go, the ones your customers actually get when they buy from you. Keeping them here makes things way easier once your automations kick in. Next, let's make 2 more folders to keep things tidy. Right-click anywhere in your Automate Etsy folder, choose New Folder, and call this one Images. That's where we'll drop all your Etsy listing images later. Then, repeat the same process again, creating a new folder and naming it Docs. You'll use this one for your templates or PDFs. Basically, any extra files you share with your customers. Nice, your structure's starting to come together. Now we'll go one level deeper. Double-click into your Products folder. Inside here, create a new folder and name it after your Etsy shop. Just the name you use on Etsy. The reason we do this is simple. When we set up your automation, everything connected to your shop will live inside this folder. That way, you always know exactly where your finished digital products end up. Once that's done, let's head back to your Automate Etsy folder. Alright, 2 last folders to finish this off. First, open Docs. Right-click, choose New Folder, and name it Templates. This is where you'll store PDFs, worksheets, or any downloadable files you create. Then, go back to Automate Etsy, open Images, and make another new folder called Listings. You'll keep your product listing images here, the ones you'll upload to Etsy or use later in automation. Once you've done that, head back up to Automate Etsy. And that's it. Your Google Drive setup is done. You've got folders for data, products, images, docs, templates, and listings, all neatly organized. This clean setup will save you a ton of time later and help your automations run without a hitch. Next, we'll start connecting things together.